پرداختند.
Our Iranian ancestors longed for heaven so much that everything they created, such as poetry, architecture, and food, resemble that fantastic place. You can clearly see Naqsh Jahan Square, which shows the magnificent Safavid architecture. In each part of this place, you can see the signs of paradise. The carpet under their feet also resembles the garden in heaven. The weaver and designer of the carpet seem to have considered the flowers in heaven and produced this carpet.
انگار باقی از بهشت رو در زیر پا داریم. اصفهان شهر پرشکوه شرق، جایی که در دوره‌ای که پایتخت صفوی بوده.
When we look at it, it seems like we have a garden of heaven under our feet. Isfahan is a glorious city. When Isfahan was a Safavid capital, many travelers mentioned it as the largest and most beautiful city in the world. Isfahan plays an important role in the history of cuisine in Iran. After the formation of the Safavid court, Iran enters a period of stability. Little by little, foods take on a new form, and we see a special style and way of cooking in the Safavid court. This special style of cooking began in Tabriz during the Safavid era and reached Qazvin and then Isfahan. This art has reached its peak in Isfahan. All kinds of sweets and different foods in Isfahan today are actually a sign of the splendor of this city in the Safavid era.
شکوه و جلال این شهر در زمان صفوی.
This city is one of 3 important cities in the matter of cooking and pastry making during the Safavid period. During the Safavid period, the art of cooking reached its peak in this city. The royal kitchen became a complex organization. Foods were cooked with Iranian taste with cardamom, rosewater, honey, sugar, and saffron. If we check the recipes of foods of that time, we'll find sweeteners such as sugar, honey, or various syrups. After Shah Abbas Safavi chose Isfahan as his capital, in 1006 AH, the Qazvin pastry tradition came to the city. Isfahan pastry chefs and confectioners did a great work to develop this art. Just as Safavid art was a masterpiece in architecture and painting, beautiful works of that period were left in Qazvin and Isfahan. These great works added a huge treasure to the culture and history of Iran.